Welcome. In today's video, we will be talking all about dressing with dementia, providing you with easy strategies that you can implement today. We hear questions like this. My wife has been wearing the same clothes for 3 days, but when I tell her, let's change into a fresh outfit, she responds with, I do have a fresh outfit on, and refuses to change. Do you have any tips that will help get her to change her clothes? First, we must consider how we are approaching them. Effective communication is one simple way to help the person become more inclined to work with you. Here are some easy ways to implement effective communication in this situation. Place yourself at the other person's eye level. Make sure you have the person's attention by saying their preferred name. If they're in a wheelchair or sitting on the bed, sit next to them. Comment about the activity in an enthusiastic tone. For example, saying something like, this is a beautiful blouse. Let's try it on. Or, these pants look very warm and comfortable. This allows them to feel more connected with you, but also makes the activity more enjoyable for them and makes them more inclined to open up to conversation. I want you to also observe their actions. If they're not verbal, where is their gaze? Are they reaching for or pointing to something? What part of dressing is difficult for them? Really take a look at this. Is there difficulty with beginning the task? Is it the handling of the fasteners, zippers, or buttons, for example, that are a challenge for them? Is the clutter in the room distracting them? In addition to these considerations, I want you to refer to the effective communication handout in this lesson for more tips. Now I want to talk about tips for choosing clothes for the day. First, you can pair it with an enjoyable or preferred activity. Saying something like, let's get changed for lunch, or playing their favorite music in the background can help to increase their motivation. Next, I want you to keep it routine. Make it a part of the everyday routine at a specific time each day. Writing the time in the calendar or making a note so that it's visible to them every day will help to increase that repetition. Does the person have a difficult time handling the clothes with their fingers? Did you know that there are handy tools out there to make dressing easier? They're called adaptive equipment. Some examples of helpful adaptive equipment are breechers and a shoehorn, which are pictured on this slide. All you have to do is Google these terms, and there will be several options for you to buy from that can be picked up at your local drugstore or shipped right to your door. Another alternative to ensure that the clothes have limited fasteners could be using Velcro or pullover items. This makes getting dressed a more independent task, but also is less intimidating for the person. Another quick tip is to lay a fresh pair of clothes by the bed every night or morning with an invitational sign stating something like, please change into your outfit for the day, to indicate that they should change. Invitational sign details are provided in today's handout. Keep this concept consistent for best results. Another alternative is to buy multiples of the same clothing if the person is most comfortable and enjoys that outfit the most. Next, I want to talk about some ways that we can simplify the activity. First, you could give them two options to choose from so it's not as overwhelming, saying something like, would you like to wear the blue pants or brown pants today? Remove items that are out of season. This helps to decrease that confusion and clutter. If your loved one is having a difficult time putting on clothes in the correct order, make a step-by-step, easy to read and simple guide that can be posted where they frequently change to help assist them with completing the task with greater independence. A step-by-step dressing instruction guide will be provided as a handout if you wish to use that, or you could make your own. Working together to create an outfit can be extremely helpful. This may make the person more inclined to want to change if you begin with inviting them to help to put together an outfit for the day. I also want to address some ways that we can modify the environment around us. First, you could label drawers, providing signage. Label clearly with bold lettering and high contrast font, as seen in the picture. Keep the closet clean and free of clutter. Make sure that there's adequate lighting in the room. keep the temperature in the room comfortable. Is the room too cold? Is it too hot? Consider these as part of the routine. I want to stress that choosing just one or two of these strategies and implementing them into the person's daily routine can drastically improve their independence and level of engagement. Trial and error may take some time, but I can guarantee it will be well worth it in the long run for not only the person you are caring for, but for you as the care partner. Please be sure to check out the handouts provided in this lesson for more activity ideas and tips. Thank you for watching.